Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Moto AI features missing or grayed out on your Motorola Razr Fold. So first, what you guys want to do is simply check your region. So this is the first thing. Sometimes it depends on the region, also the language and your software update level. And in some of the regions, for example, the European Union, China, and some other smaller regional markets, they face the limitations that can block the Moto AI features. So for example, the EU has the EU AI Act and also the Digital Markets Act, which is the DMA, and some features like Catch Me Up on Motorola are either delayed, grayed out, or altered, so they're changed. And here, as you guys can see, if I go to Moto AI, if you go to update me, this is basically the catch me up, and it works just fine. Now let's go over. First, what you guys want to do is go over into these settings, and here we are on the main page. Now let's scroll down, and after we scroll down, we should go to system. Now go to language and region. And here you have your region. So my region actually is European. So basically it's in Europe. Now, of course, you can change it to United States. And now the system language is, of course, English, United States. Region is set to United States. And now you can try and restart your phone. So just press the power button and the volume up button. Once you do that, press on restart, and now you can easily check if your Moto AI features like Catch Me Up or Update Me are working. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone restarts. After the restart, let's check it again. So if you had some issues, you can just go over, see the tools for productivity again, and go to Catch Me Up. As you guys can see, all of it works just fine. And now if it's still not working for you, then basically you want to check the software updates. So we've already checked our region. Now we're going to check our software updates. So we want to make sure that we are on the latest version so that we have those versions supported. We're going to go over, scroll down, and go to system updates. Once you're here, click on check for updates, and it will automatically check for the latest version. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me because I am on the latest version, but if you're not, then I recommend you updating, since old versions tend to have a lot more glitches than the new ones. So let me just click on got it. As you guys can see, we are back, and as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to go to system. Now go to reset options, but first make sure that you back it all up to your cloud, and here go to reset options. Now go to erase all data and factory reset. This is as a last resort, of course. If nothing is helping, we're just going to click erase all data, then confirm it with our PIN, and then click the erase your data again. So that's basically the last resort if nothing else helps. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.